Hey guys, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with another video. As you guys can read by the title, we are here for another iPhone unboxing. You already know, I did one 2 years ago when I got my iPhone 11 Pro, and now we're here with a new iPhone, the iPhone 13, and I got the iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm gonna show you guys which one I got, unbox it, talk about it, features, all of that, the apps, you name it, okay? You name it. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you don't know, the new iPhone 13 came out today, and last Friday I pre-ordered my iPhone. Last Friday was the pre-order, and then you can set it up on Apple so you can pick it up today, which I did this morning, well, this afternoon, because my appointment was at 1 p.m. Got there, still had to wait on the line, which I was like, that's annoying, because I thought once I set an appointment, I just go get it, but of course not. With Apple, it's never that simple. So got on the line. I got there at like 12:58, got on the line, got my iPhone like around 1:35 p.m., which is not horrible, but it could have been earlier. But got my iPhone. We have it here in the bag. We got the Apple bag, and let's unbox this baby. So take it out. I got the new colorway, the Sierra Blue, which I'm excited because when I got the 11 Pro, I really wanted that green, midnight green color. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it because I was trying to still decide like which gigabyte, if I wanted the Pro, the regular, or the Max, blah, blah, blah. So by the time I waited and all that, the green one sold out, so I ended up getting the gold one. But for this one, I was like, I want this blue color. So like I said, I pre-ordered it, was able to get it last week on pre-order, and picked it up today. So we got the Sierra Blue. I got the iPhone Pro, the regular, not the Max. 3 cameras. You know, we do videos and editing and filming, so I like having the best camera possible, so that's what that is. I ended up getting the 512 gigabyte because if you don't know, the biggest gigabyte right now is 1 terabyte, not gigabyte. The biggest space, the biggest storage is 1 terabyte. I was deciding if I wanted the 1 terabyte, but I just got the one before that, which is 512 gigabyte, which is pretty huge because my previous phone, I don't know why I got it. I got a 64 gigabyte. Like, I don't know where I was going with that. It was horrible. My space kept running out. It was a mess, child. So I was like, the next phone, I have to get the biggest space. Ended up getting the 512 gigabyte, which is pretty big compared to 64 gigabytes. So I'm definitely happy with my purchase. Came in the box, as you guys know. They have simplified their packaging. You see the skinny, slim box. I like the box. I love the black. Love, love, love the black. We got the phone. It stands out. Then we open it like so. I have already opened it, set it up, all of that, because once the phone transfers over to this phone, my old phone was non-existent. I couldn't even call. I had to... Like, I literally was connected to my hotspot on my old phone to this phone because I still was using that. And I didn't want to walk around with this in the street because, you know, this is hot territory. They see me walking around with this new phone. Ciao. I was not trying to get robbed on the first day, so I was still walking around with my old phone connected to the hotspot. But you unlock it like so. Unlock it. You open the box like so. And then we have, oh, what was that? We have the USB-C. It doesn't come with the wall unit, so I'm definitely gonna have to purchase the wall brick, but that's nothing. I'll just use my old one until I order the one from Amazon. So this is what it comes with now, and it comes with the little stickers as usual, and then the little thing to open if you wanted to like put in your new SD card, which the good thing now, you don't even have to like transfer SD cards. My T-Mobile account automatically just transferred on to this new phone. So the thing that's different is, like I said, it doesn't come with the brick, and then now it doesn't come with headphones anymore. So, but that's okay because I have my earpods and that's what I use. And the headphones that came with I think the headphones that came with my 11 Pro, I probably only used it like twice. So it's still in good condition. So if I wanted to use it, I can. But it would be nice if they came with the brick, because now I have to go purchase a brick. So for all the money that I spent for this phone, that's the one thing I'm like, Apple, we still need the brick. Like, what are you doing? So here is what it comes with. And of course, we're missing the phone. So let me show you guys the actual phone, which I just threw in the bag just for the drama. So we have the phone here, the iPhone 13 Pro. As you guys can, I love this color, y'all. Love, love, love the Sierra blue. On the side is like a silvery blue. We got the 3 cameras. I love this phone, y'all. All right, so let's compare it to my old phone. So this is my 11 Pro. As you guys can see, I told you I have the gold, now the Sierra blue. It is a little bit bigger. You guys can see by the size. Let me match it up. Yeah, the 13 is a little bit bigger and a little bit wider, as you can see. The camera is definitely, but you see that camera size? Look at the comparison of the camera. Super huge, like, and it's a little bit heavier. This is definitely lighter. This is definitely heavier, but I'm just excited. And of course the shape is different. This one, the 11 Pro, is a little bit more round, and then the 13 Pro is more square. It's kind of reminiscent to the 5, that like square shape. So then let's unlock it. And I noticed like this moves super quick. Like you're swiping and it's like zoom, zoom, zoom. Like everything is super, super, super quick. So I like that. I like updated speed. And then the one thing that I love about this phone is that we have the cinema mode. Like I'm super, super excited to like get into the cinema mode and film videos and lookbooks and all of that. That is super exciting for me. Like I love that. I love the cinema mode. I love that I have more space so I can have pictures, videos, all of my music. I love music, and having more space means I have more music to put onto my phone. So I'm super excited about that, especially albums. I love listening to albums. Like that's my fave thing, and having like music videos and inspo and all that on my phone. So definitely excited about the more space and excited about that cinema mode. We definitely gonna try it out. I'll probably do a video of like me testing and trying it out. I just wanted to do this like quick unboxing of getting into it. I want to like really play with the settings, play with the new settings, and see how it is. And I'm definitely gonna do like an updated what's on my iPhone / the new settings once I get accustomed to it. I'm gonna play around with it this weekend, and then probably next week I'll do like an updated video on what's on my iPhone and the new settings and how to use it and how it looks and all of that. We're gonna film things and test it out. I'm gonna do like the old iPhone video and photo mode, and I'm gonna do like the new iPhone and like see the difference. I'm excited to do that, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. I just wanted to unbox it here, show you guys, tell you guys can see how excited I am to have a new phone. Like I literally have been waiting. I've been saying this for the past year. I cannot wait to get the new iPhone. Past couple of months when my space kept running out, I'm like, no, yo, I need a new iPhone. And buying the storage only helps for like iCloud storage. It doesn't help with like the overall storage on your phone. So you need the bigger storage on your actual phone. So, and this storage is bigger than what's on my MacBook. My MacBook has 250 gigabytes. This has 512. So I am excited. I just hope I don't regret not getting the 1 terabyte. I really hope I don't regret getting it, but I'm excited with the 512. So definitely stay tuned for the next video coming for the what's on my iPhone / the new settings. Stay tuned for that one. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the phone. Did you get it? Let me know. Comment that down below. Definitely like this video, and of course subscribe to the channel to see more. And y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, deuces.